Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a QR code as well as reading the QR code. Now let's get started. First I'll create a file. Create QR code. Just rename it as a Python file. Now what you require is to download pip, install by QR code, and what you need is pip install by png. Now create your own QR code. Import by QR code, import png QR by QR code, create, and we are going to write something like as my channel name, Python for fun. Now qr.png, close bracket, my qr png. This will be our file name, scale 6. Okay, I will save it. Now if I run this, okay, module is not installed, so we are going to install the modules. So just copy this, copy, command prompt, right click, enter, wait for it. Yeah, done. Now next, copy, right click, enter. Yep, done. Now we'll run this again. There, it's created. As you can see, here is our png file. Okay, this is our png file. You can put a URL in the text area. In this text area, you can put a URL, or you can type something, and it will generate a nice, good-looking QR code, just like this. Now we need something to read the QR code. Now the thing is, we'll create another file, that is read, or let's say decoding dash reading QR code. Now we'll rename this. Okay, now what do we require? We require pip install pillow and pip install py zbar. Now I'm not sure whether I have installed this one, but I have installed this one. Okay, that's where all the image process is done. Now we write the code from import image from py zbar import decode. and result. Okay, wait, before that I just want to mention something here, that is QR code image. Okay, the QR code image should be like image.jpg, image.png, image.gif. okay, so that way kind of format you can read result. Now result, decode image, open, then our QR code format or whatever name you want to put it. Okay, so we just copy this again, and this, and inside we are going to read our file, that is my QR png. Okay, print result. Now we'll run this and let's see whether it can read or not. Okay, it cannot read because I was doubtful whether I've installed this one. So we'll install pip pyzbar. Now command prompt, right click, enter, installing, done. We'll run this again. Yep, runs, and there it is. This is the what we have entered inside. Okay, and rest is the type and everything. It keeps on giving all extra information. Now if you want to check whether it runs properly, so we'll try creating something else with a different format. Hello world. Run this. Yep. King. Nice one. Now we'll read. Okay. So there is an error. Why? Because we forgot to change the last one. That is the extension JPG. Run. Okay, it is ready. Delete this one. We'll create the GIF format. Okay, I love Python. GIF. Run this. Yep, running. Done. GIF format. Right click. It's already open. We won't do the mistake again. GIF. Run this. There. So you see, it can read and create and read and create, and it has to be a specific format that you read, like GIF or PNG or JPG and so on. I hope you like the tutorial, and thanks for watching, and do subscribe and like this video and enjoy your coding. You can copy the code from here, or I'll give it in the description as well.